The final tip I'll give you about arrogance is respect to your elders. No matter how unfair they become, no matter how wrong they become, when you raise your voice against them, when you say, I can't take it anymore, I've respected you for 3 whole minutes, my meter has run out, then you have an arrogance problem. Our elders are a test of our character. Sometimes Allah gives you a gift. He gives you difficult parents. It's a gift from Allah because you had no other way of learning humility. Maybe everything else was going to make you arrogant, so He gave you a difficult family just so you could learn some humility. Abu Hanifa, you know who that is? Rahimahullah? The founder of the most followed school of thought in all of the Ummah. The founding father of the science of fiqh. His mother used to say in the middle of the night, 2 a.m., middle of the night, grab the lamp, let's go. Because in the night they used to have to walk with a lamp. So he's holding the lamp and they're walking. And she goes a whole mile and she knocks on this guy's door and that guy comes out and the guy is a khatib, he's a lecturer. But he's not a scholar. He's not a scholar. And she says, I have a sharia question for you. And the guy's like... he's looking at Abu Hanifa and he's going, and Abu Hanifa says, just answer her, please. Because his mother said to him, you don't know anything, who's going to listen to you? I'm going to listen to this guy. But he does it, he goes and Mom, listen, it's fine. And then later on, the same guy would go back to Abu Hanifa and say, did I give the right answer? And he said, no, but don't tell my mother. MashaAllah. That's what, this is a very practical thing. It's not some crazy spiritual exercise that will keep you from arrogance. It's practical stuff. It's practical stuff. Be good to your parents even when they're not being good to you. It will teach you humility. It will keep you away from arrogance. May Allah protect all of us from arrogance.